if hindi ka naman masyadong OC or excuse the word if hindi ka naman maarte. Hello guys! Welcome to our another weekend vlog. And for today's video ay papasyal tayo sa ating kapitbahay, ang Singapore. Ang Singapore ay tulad ng Philippines na part ng Southeast Asia and visa-free for us Filipinos. Kaya samahan nyo kami sa aming 3-hour flight para i-explore ang mga pinagmamalaki ng Singapore at matikman ang mga flavorful nilang pagkain. Let's go! Okay guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Grab and we are approaching NAIA Terminal 3 Departure Area. As what you can see sa title ng video na to, me and Marga are going to Singapore. Marga is on her way na rin from Baguio and naka P2P naman siya. Dito siya ibababa sa Terminal 3 mismo. And same lang yung ETA natin and we'll see her in a bit.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, ingat. Hi sister. I'm fine. Hello. Okay guys, time to pay our e-travel tax for 1,620 pesos. Okay, so before we check in and bag drop, silipin muna natin yung immigration if mahaba pila. And it looks like very short lang yung line, so I guess saglit lang tayo dyan. Parang konti lang yung pila. Good afternoon po.
Ito ba si Victor?
Apo. Saan yung entrance? Dito tayo sa school. Walang tao. Ay, dyan. Okay. Perfect. Dahil siguro Monday.
Saan po kayo ma'am? Doon na po kayo sa kabila.
Singapore.
Close na po dito.
Close na.
Amazing.
Dito na tayo, sister. Napanood mo ba sa Netflix yung ano nga yun? Yung sa airport siya nag-work. Na parang sa conveyor belt, may mga scanner doon. Tapos sinascan ng machine. Pag-scan niya kunwari pa Singapore, tapos silipat na ng ibang parang sinesegregate na ng parang AI na din.
Saan ba yun?
Ganon.
Actually, hindi ko napansin kung ano.
Singapore po.
Passport na lang po. So, the day times is it? Oh, Margarita.
Yes.
By security personnel. As of July, please avoid accepting offers community lamang sa mga official airport taxi na matapos sakayan sa labas ng arrival area at labas ng terminal. Hindi po sila utilizar upang matiyak ang maayos at ticket.
Done checking in. Good thing meron ng OFW lounge dito sa NAIA Terminal 3. This helps shorten the queue sa immigration. Yung alin?
Pina-exchange natin.
Yung Taiwan dollar. Ilang Taiwanese dollars ba meron? 12.
Pang-yosin ko.
Sige, go. Yung akin kasi parang 200 Taiwanese dollars lang naman yun. From our Taiwan trip, may natira pang Taiwanese dollar si Marga and she will change it to SGD. Going to immigration. Ano, sister?
Kasi, sa BDO nagtanong ako, hindi sila nagpapalit lang Taiwanese dollars. Tapos, wala din silang Singaporean dollars.
Ang daming kasi requirement sa bank pag nagpapalit ka.
Okay.
Pati itinerary, ultimo, kailangan
Totoo yun?
ang OA. Kaya, Okay, we'll update you after immigration. So we're done with the immigration and security check, and now we're heading to one of the lounges here to rest and wait for our boarding. Ayun, so unfortunately, yung card natin hindi na accepted. We'll look for some place na lang to stay. Gusto ko mag-coffee, sister. Siomai rice since hindi natanggap yung card natin. And siomai. Super anghang. Hello guys, so we're just done eating and we're still waiting for our boarding. And alam na din naman namin kung saan yung boarding gate namin. So dito na lang muna kami kumain ni Marga. Sister.
Hi.
Dito na lang kami kumain kasi hindi na-accepted yung card ko doon sa may Marhaba Lounge. So if you are considering to stay sa lounges and if you will use your credit card, I would recommend na i-check nyo muna yung updates. Baka kasi hindi na rin tinatanggap yung mga credit cards nyo. I thought of making video na lang of our pre-departure preparation. And by the way guys, so Singapore wala namang difference when it comes to time. Same lang ng time dito sa Philippines. And just to share our preparation, of course yung passport na valid for at least 6 months, and visa is not required na pag pupuntang Singapore. Then yung plane ticket, accommodation, travel insurance, e-travel for both departure and arrival sa Philippines. We also prepared declaration for Singapore. So both links ng e-travel and declaration for Singapore, ipopost ko yung link down below. Or other things na dinala namin is power adapter and of course GCash Visa card. When it comes to immigration, wala na namang tinanong sa akin, and I think kay Marga wala ding tinanong, and we didn't prepare anything na din. But for first time travelers, I would recommend na magdala pa din ng bank statement, COE, approved leave, company ID. Then we also prepared our pre-book na mga gagamitin like eSIM, which is i-activate na lang namin later doon sa Singapore. Yun lang. Then we'll update you na lang if may nakalimutan pa ako. See you sa boarding. Bye. And it's time to board now, guys. Fasten your seatbelt, guys. Taking off. Thank you. Just landed in Singapore. After this immigration ata. So we're here in Terminal 4. Arrival toilets. Here. Parang hotel yung airport lot. Look at that. Oh, may robot. So, magto-toilet lang kami. Security refill. So, while waiting for Marga, try ko na mag-connect sa kanilang wifi para ma-activate na rin namin yung aming eSIM. So, we're heading to immigration. After immigration, then luggage, then ipa-activate na natin yung eSIM natin, sister. Then, mag-withdraw tayo. Mag-withdraw ka? Okay, see you sa pag-pick up ng luggage. Hindi natin siya makikitang naka-on. Sa Terminal 1 yan. So, ando na yung immigration, guys. We'll stop the video na here. Natagalan ako kasi nakalagpas lang namin, guys, sa immigration. So, ano na siya, automated. Natagalan ako kasi matagal si Kuya sa una ko. Na-observe mo, pag scan ng passport, nagtagalog yung mga keme. So, bibili muna ako ng vitamins ng brother-in-law ko bago yung bago kami kumuha ng baggage. Jack Daniels. Ay, eto.
Anong dyan eh?
Ang mahal ng this one. I confirm ko lang. Okay, so this one. Sister. You want? Chatting. So let's pay. Good morning.
Morning.
Does it come with a box?
No.
No. So here it is, the vitamins. Dapat may box. Then, pick up na natin yung luggage natin sa Belt 6. Ayan na, may sticker. Here's 9. Yeah. It's so wet. Here's my luggage. So there, we just got our luggage. Kay Marga, hinihintay niya pa lang. After this, we will activate the eSIM we purchased via Klook. Pwede pala dito tayo matulog, sister. Sana din na lang tayo nag-book. Mapapagastos tayo sa Grab. Next time, magtisa lang na natin. Para ma-activate ang ating eSIM ay kailangan nating i-scan ang QR code. So, kailangan natin ng dalawang device dito. Ang ginagawa namin ngayon ay ang QR code ni Marga, sinascan niya sa phone ko at ang gagawin ko naman later ay ang QR code ko isa-scan ko sa phone ni Marga. So, for eSIM guys, it's not applicable for all phones. You have to check muna if compatible yung inyong phone for eSIM. Then, again, we book our eSIM via Klook. Tapos, kunwari, ito yung voucher, may QR code. Isa-scan ko lang siya. So, dapat dalawa yung phone nyo para yung isa pang scan. Kasi wala siyang option to upload. So, isa-scan ko yung QR code. Then, lalabas to. Activate eSIM. Then, I will allow. Then it would show connecting. Then click on continue. Tapos wait lang natin. It says activating. Ayun. Setup complete. Done. Tapos cellular plan labels. Label 4. Lalabas to guys. Yung top, yan yung phone number ko sa Philippines. Tapos yung sa baba, eto ata yung yung for dito. So, but I will just click continue. So, click lang yung travel. Then, allow natin yung data. Then, itong data roaming, dapat naka-on yan para makakonect sa data. Okay, so na-figure out na namin paano i-activate. Naka-on na yung data. Then, ay, naka-on yung JSOC. So, mag-book na kami ng ride.
Ilang minutes yun?
Mga almost 1 hour. Mag-withdraw pa pala tayo, sister.
Okay.
Withdraw pa pala tayo. May dala kang extension.
Ulo ako.
Meron naman ako. Tsaka iba ata yung outlet nila dito. Pero may adapter naman akong dala. So mag-i-exit na tayo, guys. And dito yung mga currency exchange. Taxi stand for B to Jewel. Right. Dito, sister. Dito tayo sa ride hailing pickup. Ayan. May mga sign naman. Bus to city. Kaso hindi ata 24/7 yung bus nila dito eh. So ayan, may ATM kaming nakita. Mag-withdraw muna kami. Yung UOB. Yan daw yung maganda. So here, sa left side, paglabas nyo ng arrival hall. So, nag-withdraw tayo 200 USD. Then, yung conversion as of this video, 8,685.12. Tapos, wala namang nakalagay if may na-charge or something. Door 7 tayo here sa Terminal 4 to book Gojek. Ba't ang lamig? Kasi may fan. Welcome to Singapore! Wala namang sign kung saan yung pick-up point, pero try na namin mag-book. So, papunta sa hotel kung Gojek. Tama ba? Gojek.
Dito
Kung 2460 sa'yo. Ay, mas mataas sa akin.
offers. Kala nga yung offer dito sa Grab.
Sige.
Grab na lang.
Sige.
Actually, ganun din. Kasi $5 lang yung discount sa Grab eh. Tapos sa Gojek. So, kahit ano yun.
Sige. Go airport. So yan guys, mag-grab kami kasi mas mura yung Grab. Check lang namin yung promo code para mas maka-discount pa kami. Then guys, may app pala kaming ginagamit ni Umarga para hindi na kami mahirapan mag-split or magbilangan ng mga gastos kasi there are times na ako muna magbabayad for her or siya magbabayad for me. So we have this app called Splitwise. So yun yung ginagamit namin para mas madali na lang i-track. So saan na si Marga? Chine-check niya pa yung promo code. Andun pa siya sa loob. And yung weather here guys, parang sa Philippines lang din. As in pareho lang. So, still waiting for Marga. And it's 1:37. So, magkano tong ride natin?
Ito ay, wait lang na.
Para matla ko.
$18.13.
$18.13. Okay. Dito na yung car natin. So, baliktad.
Okay.
Is this automatic?
Sorry?
Okay.
Yun ang kiko 190 Nobby Store.
Yes. So we're here guys na hinahanap lang namin kung saan dito mismo yung Cozy Backpacker. And so we finally made it here guys sa ating hostel, Backpacker Cozy Corner Guest House. Very strategic yung place. Malapit siya sa Bugis Junction. Sa harap niya lang. Medyo challenge lang yung pag-akyat ng maleta. And we will have a room tour later. And maybe tomorrow yung hostel naman yung itutour natin. Let's prepare our passport na for our check-in and para makapagpahinga na rin tayo. This is our room guys. From here to entrance. May bunk bed, 3 floors. Naka-aircon naman. Ayun. So, I guess that's the end of our day 0. Well, try to update you tomorrow. Hello guys, good morning. So, it's our day 1 officially here in Singapore. And dito ako ngayon sa common area ng ating accommodation. So we just booked a hostel. It's called Cozy Backpacker. Very strategic yung location. Maganda yung location. This place is good if hindi ka naman masyadong OC or excuse the word, if hindi ka naman maarte. This place is perfect. Very affordable, especially if dalawa kayo. But now we'll have a quick tour of our hostel. I will also flash dito sa screen kung magkano yung nabook namin na accommodation. So, as what I mentioned, dito tayo ngayon sa may common area natin. So, eto siya. Here may mga ganyang design. Tapos, I think pwede ka dito mag-work. It's just that open siya, no? So, depende na lang sa inyo kung gusto niyo ng open air. Then, dito sa tapat niya is parang washing area dito. Pwede ka, I guess, mag-wash ng face. There. Sa likod na part na to. Then, dito yung shower. Dito na part. Ito yung shower area. There and exit. Tapos dito sa right side naman, dito yung smoking area nila. Another shower room. Andito yung toilet. Nag-iisa lang yung toilet na nandyan si Marga ngayon. So hindi na natin papasukin. Then, punta tayo dito sa harap banda. Dito na may mga rooms. Magsasalita lang ako ng mababa. So here, ito yung mga room. Yan dito ang view natin outside. There's Cityland. And yun, harap na harap lang natin yung Bugis Function. And dito sa baba, i-show ko sa inyo later ang ating neighborhood din. Dito sa baba may 7-Eleven na Superland. Andito naman yung reception guys. Andito yung room natin by the way. I think meron pa dun sa taas. Andito tayo pumasok kagabi. And wala dito elevator, escalator, no? So medyo challenge, especially if malaki yung baggage niyo like mine. Then, papasok ulit tayo sa ating room. Nag-quick tour na naman tayo kagabi. So, medyo magulo na yung room, guys. Kasi ginamit na namin. So, common yung CR. And there. Okay. So, that's it. Yung very, very quick tour natin sa ating hostel. Magpe-prepare na kami, then we will start our day 1 officially. Ipakita ko muna yung neighborhood. So, ito yung hotel namin, guys. Hostel pala. Then, ito yung neighborhood. Ay, may bus stop dito. B09. Ay, Raffles Hospital. Feeling ko dito na lang yon kasi one of our itineraries today pumuntang Raffles Hotel. Magpa-picture lang. So, yung first stop namin, magpa-picture lang doon sa labas. Mga 5 minutes. Raffles Hotel, 5-minute walk. And here's the neighborhood. So, welcome to BGC. Charing. Eto mga Sufi. Ay, mahal dito. We need to cross. Okay, let's cross the bridge. Yung alin? Akala ko din. So, I guess this is the Raffles Hotel. Parang hindi ito yung main entrance. Parang doon yung sister sa kabila. We are still looking for the main entrance of one of the historic landmarks in Singapore, which is ang Raffles Hotel. It opened in 1887. It's one of the few remaining 19th century hotels in the world and was declared a national monument in Singapore in 1987. So I think we are close. Magpa-picture lang kami sa labas. This is it.
Saan na yan?
Raffles Hotel. So mag-picture lang kami dito, guys. Manifesting na mag-check-in kami dyan next time. This is just the first part of our day 1 here in Singapore. Next weekend, I promise to share more of our Singapore adventure. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin from Manila going to Singapore, and I hope na may mga natutunan kayo sa mga ginawa namin na preparation as we fly here in Singapore. Thank you again, guys, for spending your morning weekend sa pag-watch ng ating video. I will see you again next weekend. Thank you for always liking. Thank you for our new subscribers. And thank you for watching the full video. You take care and bye-bye.